All right, so today's port of call is Okinawa. Let's go discover this one together. You know, I don't know if they could have made it any harder or more complicated to get off the boat and into town and then into town back onto the boat at this port. I mean, it seems like you walk, a quarter mile in a maze back and forth, up and down, instead of one straight shot to get out of here. But made it off, and now. So coming off the cruise term or off the boat here in pier number 8, they have a huge board here that tells you all the sights that you can see in and around the port. So let's go experience some of it as we can. All right, so what we're going to do first thing out from our port is we took about a 30-minute walk. We're going to start here, work our way backwards. And the first thing that we're going to is the Sogenji gate. It's the old gate. It's the Grand Sogenji gate to what was the old temple here, which now really houses a park. But let's go inside and take a look. Oh, look at that tree, huh? Wow, that is pretty cool. So these are the gates here that once was the entrance to the Grand Sogenji temple. Now, I mean, it still has the wall there, this beautiful tree, but now it just really houses a park. All right, so we're walking into the grounds of the Tomari International Cemetery, and there's probably 30 people out here working the grounds right now, so it's kind of hard to get any kind of photos or videos of it. But what I did find out is that all the folks that are out here working the grounds right now are part of the Foreign Legion, and what they do is they come out here at the last Sunday of every month to go ahead and take care of the grounds. Now, this cemetery here was originally a site founded by Commodore Matthew Perry back in 1853, where he buried all of his crew members that died here. And since then, it also houses Chinese that migrated here, and also back into the World War, where people have found their final resting spot here in Naha, Okinawa. So thank you to all the men and women who serve and continue to serve, and also who paid the ultimate price in serving and protecting our country. Maybe a nice little place to come and stop here. Right by the harbor is Tomaran Park. Lots of shade, little stools to sit in, have lunch, or just take a nice rest. All right, so what we did is we came over to Fukushuan Gardens. Cost 300 baht each. Come in and experience this place. Wow, it's just beautiful. Wow, look at this. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it does, see if it's open all the way to the top. Oh, it is. Yeah. Oh, do you know why they put the coins there? Probably for wishes, I would assume.
Stone.
Right.
And there's a ball inside it here. There's no way to get that out. So they must have had to carve it. There's no way to get that out. There's no broken pieces.
Right.
So they must have carved it and then worked on it while it was in the mouth.
That's interesting.
Isn't it interesting?
Oh, look at that. Look at the detail on those. You can see it because of the sun there. There we go. Try to get and block it. There we go. Look at that. Wow. That vase. All right, so if you come across this little bridge here, you can see these little, looks what, like a, maybe a boar or something. All right, and what do you think?
I think that's wolf or
Wolf.
dog. Chicken.
I'll say chicken, monkey, a goat,
Horse.
horse. On the other side, looks like a snake.
Dragon.
Dragon, yeah. Rabbit, tiger, a ram. No, not a ram. What's that thing called?
A bull.
No, there are different types.
And,
Well, and then a rat.
and I think it's the year of the.
All right, so if you're going to want to come down from the ship to Kokusai Dori Street to come down here to do shopping and all that kind of stuff, I'm telling you, it's a little bit of a hike. So I'd encourage maybe get a cab to come down here, then walk back. But I'll tell you what, it's a little bit of a hike to get down here. So, but up to you. All right, well, that was our trip in and around the port of Okinawa. And I've got to say that has probably been my favorite port so far. I wish we had more time there to experience a little bit more because there really is a lot to see and do in and around that port of call. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, subscribe to our channel. As always, keep dreaming, travel safe, and explore as much of the world as you possibly can.